Yo, what's up, my knights? MTK411 here. And today, guys, I'm going to be doing a little bit something different of a video. Today, I'm going to be doing a video for him, why name is D. I'm sorry, I know I'm totally butchering your name. I'm very sorry. Was asking me how to do my thumbnails. So, really cool site called Pixlr.com, and I will post the link down below in the description. So from here, pretty much, you can do all kinds of cool custom things. So like a basic image, like if you're doing like a walkthrough, if you just want to do something basic, so like a Spider-Man or we'll do Spider-Man PlayStation pictures. So we'll say like this picture right here, for instance. You're going to save an image as whatever you want to save it to, and then whatever file you save it to. You can go to Photo, Open Image, find that image that you just saved. Bam, there it is. So now say if you're doing like a walkthrough, you want to add parts to it. Add text, and you just kind of scroll through here and find one. You don't need nothing like too extravagant or anything like that, so you can do something cool. So we'll see like the orange one right here. So over here, you can kind of drag it around and play with it. And then whenever you click on it, over here you can change the font, the color, all that good stuff. But right here in the text is where you're going to want to change it. So we'll say like number 2. So these are 2 layers right here. So you're going to go over here, do the same thing, number 2. So then bam, you have number 2. Now say if you wanted it to look a little bit more spoofy. So you can go down here to FX. You can add some colors to it. Change the colors around to it. All that good stuff right there. And cancel it if you don't want it. I'll just go to effects, do like a portrait mode. So if you want it to look more like matte, more deep, all kinds of cool things. So now say like, oh man, there's like 2 really cool pictures. Like I love this picture of Spider-Man, and I love the fact of walkthrough, but I want to add another picture in there with him. So say if it's of yourself, say if it's of something else, that you want to do, we'll say for instance, you want to add like a PlayStation logo to it, or like your own logo, however you want to do it. So you can go here, click on it, right click, save image as this. I'm also going to save another image as one that's not transparent, so that way I can kind of give you guys like a little glimpse. We'll use this one. We're not using it for anything specific or anything like that. So up here to photo, so then you're going to go right here to add element/image, and then add media. When you go to media, then you're going to find the picture you want. So the PlayStation 1's already transparent, so you can just kind of move it around here where you want it. Shrink the file, bam, like you can put it like on his chest, you can move it around, put it absolutely anywhere you want. So then say you have a picture that has a background. Oh man, like I really like this layout, like this person right here, but I hate the background. Super easy. Go to cutout. You can go like the magic cutout, touch it, and then it starts cutting it out. Okay, so there's still some little pieces here that the magic cutout won't get. Perfect. Lasso it. So you're going to lasso, wrap it around, bam, it's erased. So you can definitely do this multiple different ways on how to get rid of the background, so that way it's just the image that you want. So there you have it. Super easily way. I'm going to have this link down below in the description, and this is just a really cool fun tool on how to create a custom thumbnail for your video. Also keep in mind you do have to have a certain amount of subscribers to do a thumbnail, but that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching. As always, much love. Peace.